Undoubtedly, the vacuum cleaner brand Roborock is of those familiar faces who is best known for its line of robot vacuum cleaners. And recently, the brand has started to make a move into traditional cleaning appliances. And today, we have a model that was recently launched in the CES 2022. However, surprisingly, it combines both mopping and vacuuming in the device called Roborock Dyad. In today's video, we're going to review the cordless wet and dry vacuum, and without any further ado, let's begin the show. Starting with the box, first of all, you'll get the vacuum cleaner itself, its docking and charging stand, a beautiful brush for cleaning your dyad, and a power adapter. All are nicely and securely organized inside the box. You can even use this box for easy mobility from one place to another. Design-wise, the Roborock Dyad looks like all of its cousins that are already dominating in the cordless vacuum arena. But sadly, they come with additional add-ons you have to use for multiple cleaning tasks, and that is the biggest key point for Roborock, is you don't need to bring those pesky heads for all of your cleaning needs. This cleaning tool weighs 11 pounds, which is slightly heavy to carry around if you have multiple rooms and floors. But when it's all about staying healthy and hygienic, this weight is not a big deal, right? After the form factor, let's talk about the most important fact, the cleaning performance. Truly, Dyad did a reasonable job of cleaning dirty floors, from hardwood to tile surfaces. With 1300 psi suction power, it can pick up all of the messes such as dirt, thread, and others impressively. For this spotless cleaning, it deserves a big thumbs up. And both of its front and rear rollers spin smoothly in opposite directions to scoop up those stubborn messes. Even it can cover up to 3,000 square feet area on a single charge. Here's a quick tip for you. If you have pets that have long hairs and your floor messes with threads, then the rollers get tangled easily, so you have to take extra care about that. Coming to the tank capacity, it has two water reservoirs. One has an 850 milliliter capacity for clean water, and another one has only a 620 milliliter capacity for dirty waters and mess. Plus, when you leave it on the dock station, it can automatically clean its rollers with the remaining water from the water tank. So your vacuum always stays ready for the next cleaning needs. Done with cleaning performance and tank capacity, now let's talk about the manual cleaning performance. Well, during a light cleaning applications, you don't have to clean and wipe your handheld vacuum cleaner. But after a heavy cleaning and a long time of use, or more specifically, at least every month, you have to remove all of its detachable parts to clean them manually, because dust marks, allergies, and other impacts get caught on those tight areas. Even threads and long hairs get rolled out onto the roller frequently, and using the pre-built thread cutter on the included brush makes it easier to clean. And if possible, leave those rollers in sunlight or any dry area to vapor the remaining waters after cleaning them with detergent water. Nor waters will be stayed on the dock station and leave stains. So to make it perform well and keep it shiny as new, a manual cleaning is a must. Another key highlight is Dyad has convenient cordless capabilities, and with its high-capacity battery, this thing can run for an impressive 35 minutes straight. You can even monitor battery power on its stylish LED screen, and along with that, it also showcases cleaning mode. The typical arsenal of cleaning tools for every house and office includes a dustpan, broom, small vacuum, and a steam mop for light to heavy-duty cleaning needs. Literally, all of these cleaning companions take up considerable space inside your house or office. With great joy, you can now say goodbye to all of those traditional cleaning tools to conveniently save space. Why? Because your Roborock Dyad takes a little space when not in use. Beyond that, during cleaning, its stand becomes handy to prevent it from falling. This feature is almost missing in the most handheld vacuums. If we talk about the price tag, well, you can grab one for almost $500. Keeping all of its added benefits, specs, and features into the graph paper, it is a good deal. And compared with other canister vacuums, Roborock Dyad offers more than your expectation. Surely, Roborock knows a thing or two about cleaning tasks, as it has an excellent range of robot vacuum cleaners under the brand's name. With a Roborock Dyad, the company has put all those past learnings into a cordless hard floor cleaner that offers the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. However, it struggles a little bit with bigger debris on the grounds and households with furry friends as well as human hairs. But in terms of overall cleaning experience, this cordless cleaner is hard to beat. So that was all about the Roborock Dyad just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.